I just wanted to give you guys another tip here. Some manufacturers claim that their mixing cups are reusable. You want to make sure that you're not using polypropylene, okay? So it's designated by the recyclable triangle with the number 5 and PP. What you want to use is HDPE, okay? And here's why. If I look inside here, when I went to peel this, there's a lot of little epoxy drops and everything still stuck in there. The majority of it came out, but like for example on the back here, it's rock solid. It bonds to it very well. Okay, epoxy bonds to polypropylene, at least the liquid glass stuff does. Okay, whereas you look at my HDPE mixing bucket here. Okay, this is the leftover. I just stuck a nail in there so I could easily grab it. Very satisfying how that just pops out. Okay, it pulls everything off. And what is left in there, just, I don't have nails. Now the big bucket. Okay, how satisfying is that? It is very satisfying, I can tell you that. So, moral of the story, do not use polypropylene, use HDPE, okay?